Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check old Amazon order history. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you want to check your old order history on Amazon, you can easily do it through the Amazon app or the website. This allows you to view purchases from many years ago, including order details and invoices. First, open the Amazon Shopping on your phone, or go to the Amazon website in your browser. After signing in to your account, go to the Orders section. You can reach this by tapping the profile icon or by opening the menu, 3 lines, and selecting My Orders. By default, Amazon will show your most recent purchases. To see older orders, use the filter option at the top of the orders page. Tap Filter and choose the date range. You can select options like the last 3 months, the past year, or even choose a specific year to view purchases from that time. After applying the filter, Amazon will display orders from the selected period. Once you find an old order, tap on it to see more information. As I didn't order from Amazon yet, but if you ordered something in 2024, that will show here. Keep in mind that for very old orders, you can still review the details and download invoices, but you usually cannot return the item, since Amazon's return policy typically allows returns only within about 30 days of delivery. And that's it. So that's basically how you can check old Amazon order history. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.